Hey guys, welcome to the video today. In today's video, we are going to do a review and see what this LED under the cabinet fixture light looks like. I got this off Amazon. It was just a little under $20 after tax and everything. Although most people would use this to put under the cabinet, like in their kitchen, I'm using it to replace the fluorescent light that was in my arcade game here. So we're going to go ahead and get this thing out of the box. And see what it comes with and take it from there. There's a couple benefits to this versus the old style fluorescents. These use a lot less energy, they last a lot longer, and this particular one has two different light settings. So like the 3000K is closer to like a yellowish type of light, where the 4000K is more of a white type of light. So we got a couple different options there. But let me go ahead and get the camera on the tripod and we will get this thing out of the box. All right, guys, let's go ahead and see what's in the box here. And this one's an 18-inch, which, fit my 18-inch lengthwise, which fit my arcade game perfect. That's what the old fixture was, too. All right. Okay guys, here's the installation instructions. Make sure to read through it in its entirety before you do anything with the fixture. You'll notice right up top there above step number 1, it says to turn off power from the main circuit before installing fixture. Very, very important. Make sure that you read through this and that you understand it completely and that you are comfortable with this type of work. Let's go ahead and take an overview of the fixture really quick and see what it looks like before we get into it. Okay guys, here's what it looks like out of the box. You got the 3000K, 4000K selector over there, and then we got our on-off switch right here. It's got a nice metal case on it. It says not to use these two middle knockouts, but you do have one on each corner on the back. And then you have some knockouts on the side there as well, and then you also have a few knockouts on the top there. It's a nice looking unit for the price, so yeah. Let's go ahead and get this opened up and see what's inside. All right, guys, I wanted to show this part. So this is how you disassemble the cover here once you have the lens off, is you have to squeeze on this part, and there's these little clips down here. So when you squeeze this way, it'll put a little bit of pressure away from that clip, and then once you have clearance, get a better angle here. Once you have clearance, it'll come off from the clip. Then you can take this piece off. Then you have all your wires exposed on the back, everything you need to get to. And this was the parts bag that was inside. So let's go ahead and take a closer look at this stuff here. All right, guys, so you got a few different colors in here for wires that you need to connect. You have your green for ground, your white for neutral, and your black for power. So I'm gonna go ahead and wire this up to the wiring harness connector that I have for my arcade game, and I will be right back to show you what that looks like. All right, guys, I got mine wired up to my wire harness for my game. This will be a little different if you hook it up, for an under the cabinet. But my wire harness has 4 different colors. It has a blue, white, green, and black. And the white actually comes back to this connector here. And then on the other side, it's just, there's nothing there. It's just dead. So on the connector, on my wire harness, the blue is the neutral, the black is the live, and the green is the ground. So I have black to black, green to green, and then white to blue. And I just have the white lead trimmed off because it, like I said, it doesn't go to anywhere. So let me go ahead and get this put back together and we'll test it out really quick and see what it looks like. All right, guys, before I reassemble this just make sure you use the hardwire connector. It's just got a little nut that goes on the inside here. And then it just keeps the wires in place. You just, use these screws to clamp it down. But okay, let's go ahead and get this back together, and I will be right back once we get it installed and see what it looks like. All right, guys, here's what it looks like installed. Tons of light, looks great. Here's this color, and there's the more yellow color there. See if we can back up here, get a better. So there's the yellow color, and there is the more white color. So yeah, it's not too bad to install. It's a nice little light for the price. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. Have a good one.